Welcome to the Power of Prayer channel. Here is a space of faith, hope and union, where together we seek the strength that comes from prayer to transform our lives. Gratitude is a powerful act that connects us directly with God and with all the good things He offers us. By recognizing the blessings in our lives, we learn to live more lightly and fully. May this reflection be a way of opening the heart and strengthening the spirit, cultivating a feeling of deep gratitude for everything we have received. Reflection on the power of gratitude. Think about everything you have today, from the small blessings to the great gifts in life. Often, we are so focused on what we still want to achieve that we forget to appreciate what we have already achieved. Gratitude connects us to the present moment and helps us see the beauty that often goes unnoticed. By giving thanks, you make room in your heart for more kindness, love and joy. Take a moment to ask yourself, what are 3 things I am grateful for today? How can I express this gratitude in actions, words, or prayers? By cultivating the habit of gratitude, you will see how your outlook on life becomes lighter and full of hope. I would like to leave a prayer. Prayer of gratitude. Beloved Lord, today I stand before you with a heart full of gratitude. Thank you for every breath, for every dawn and for the gift of another day. I thank you for the visible and invisible blessings you placed in my path, even those that I only recognize after some time. Thank you for your strength in times of difficulty, for peace in the midst of storms and for the love that never leaves me. I am grateful for my family, friends, and all the people who brighten my life with acts of kindness. Teach me to recognize your hand in every detail of my journey, from simple birdsong to great achievements. May my heart always be open to you, living with gratitude and spreading the love I receive. I praise you for being my refuge, my joy, and my eternal hope. Receive, Lord, my prayer as a sincere gesture of recognition for your infinite kindness. Amen. May this prayer bring peace to your heart. At the end of this reflection and prayer, allow the peace and joy of the Lord to dwell in your heart. May gratitude be a constant in your life, transforming every moment into an opportunity to praise and be grateful. Trust that God will continue to care for you with infinite love. Amen. Thank you for being with us on the Power of Prayer channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe so we can continue spreading messages of faith and hope. Until the next meeting, and may God bless you all.